He's trying to get the fleas off her fur. Easy, Bubba. Easy. Squished easy.
Washing her.
Yeah. Christ.
You're good,
Oh,
Bubba.
she's done. She's done. She's done. Well, we'll see. I'm not done. Easy, Bubba. Easy.
But isn't that adorable? It is, isn't it? Oh.
And she's used to it somewhat, because that's what Mama does. Holds them down and licks them clean. But she'll get away if she wants to. There she goes. And she's going, oh! Easy. Jesus Christ. She's going to get mad, Bubba. She said she was done.
Bubba, get
nice.
your paw off of her.
Be nice.
He's pinning her.
I know. Not done. Easy.
Okay, Bubba, that's enough.
Let her go if she wants to now.
That's
She's
enough.
not that upset, but
That's enough. Let her go.
all done.
The good girl. It's a good Bubba. You're the good Bubba.
Isn't that adorable? That big dog and that little teeny little kitty.
The good Bubbas.
You missed a spot.